Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at surface area of cones. So remember, surface area is when you want to cover the entire surface. So there's two parts to the cone. We have the base, which is just a circle, and the lateral surface area. So if you unfold this, you'll have a circle, and the formula for a circle is pi r squared. And then you'll have this part that's called a sector that looks like a big piece of pie. That wraps around, and that's called pi rs. So r is still the radius from down here, but s is actually the radius of our sector. And you can also call that slant height because it would be over here if you unfolded it. So we have two pieces, pi r squared plus pi rs. So in this example, we're asked to find the surface area of a cone. The height is 8 meters and the radius is 6 meters. So remember from the formula, there's two pieces. We have pi r squared for our circular bottom, and we have pi rs, which is the area of the sector. But remember that s is for slant height. Here I have my perpendicular height, so I need to figure out what the slant height is. So because this is perpendicular height, I know that I have a right triangle here. So there's an extra piece to this one where you'd have to use Pythagorean theorem to figure out the hypotenuse. So one of our sides is 8, the base is 6, and we're looking for our hypotenuse. So 8 squared is 64 plus 36, which is 100, and then you take the square root. So that will give us a slant height of 10 meters. So now I have everything that I need, so I can plug it into the formula. So pi is 3.14. The radius is 6, and that has to be squared. Pi is 3.14. The radius is 6 again. And s is the slant height, which is also the radius of your sector, and that's 10. So that's 113.04. and 188.4. And if you add both of those together, you get 301.44, and our units would be in meters squared.